Different microphones have different weights. For this reason, we designed microphone arms that come with an adjustable spring inside. Thanks to the spring, you can adjust your Mica mic arm to properly balance with the weight of your microphone. All you need is a simple Allen key. First, do not pull the 3 knurled screws tight, but keep them in a loose position. Then take a look at the bottom end of the mic arm. Close to the sting, you can find a screw to balance the arm with your microphone. If your mic's position gets down, you need more tension of the spring. If it gets up, you need less tension. Adjust the screw accordingly to have your mic levitate when the arm is in an upright and 90-degree angled position. Afterwards, fasten the knurled screws to adjust the retardation of the joints. By twisting the joint screws, you can adjust the flexibility of the mic arm. The goal is to fasten them just enough to hold the microphone in the exact position wherever you pull it. Do not pull the knurled screws too tight, they may break. Also, a wrong adjustment may lead to squeaking joints. To solve this problem, please adjust the arm correctly by readjusting the bottom screw of your Mica mic arm. If necessary, you can also use some Teflon spray.